morning. I wanted to show you guys our repurposed grow light station. So we used the old grow lights that Harbor Garden used to sell, and it has 4 bulbs, and my husband just zip tied the bulbs up here onto this rack, and then he moved this rack up so that there's sort of a narrow space here, because you want the grow lights really close to the seedlings, and then the old assembly is right there, and it's all plugged in here. Sorry, it's kind of a mess because it's out on our porch. But anyways, it holds 300 seedlings. I can put 3 trays of seedlings, these big ones, underneath there, and it does a really good consistent job of growing beautiful seedlings, because I don't have to deal with rain, weather, squirrels stealing my green bean seeds, things like that. So if you have the old grow lights, repurpose them. You could even use a smaller rack like this. And then if you don't have a big space here, like you will have a big space here, but just put some blocks underneath, like block up under here, and start your plants really, really close to the lights. And then as your plants grow, remove blocks so you don't end up burning your green beans and things like that. So yeah, I hope you guys try that. It's a really cool little way to repurpose those old grow lights.